In this video, we're gonna take a look at Doodly, Doodlemaker, and Instadoodle to see which doodle software you should buy. So I have here a list with the pros, cons, and pricing. So we're gonna start with the pros of Doodly. So we have drag and drop interface, high quality custom drawings, works offline. Then we have Doodlemaker, AI voiceover and translation, versatile animation styles, text to video automation. Then we have Instadoodle, budget-friendly option, fast rendering times, simple UI for beginners. Now let's move to cons. So Doodly, no AI or text to video, higher price point. Doodlemaker requires internet connection, less control over custom animations. Instadoodle, limited advanced features, smaller asset library. Now the pricing, as you can see, we have either one-time payment or subscription. So the one-time is around $67. Then we have Doodlemaker, which is subscription based and is gonna be over $47 per month. And then we have Instadoodle, which is one-time purchase, varies by license. So overall, Doodly is best for creators who want full control and custom drawing tools. Doodlemaker suits AI-powered fast content creation with voiceovers. Instadoodle is great for beginners or those on a tight budget. So basically that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.